Hello dear, I just wanna try this kind of combination, but I think it doesn't go well, so let us try. Okay, so I have here earring. This is earring. I got it from my employer in Israel 14 years ago. So she gave me this one and with the bracelet. So let's try, guys. So you know, guys, when someone gave you something very sentimental, you need to keep it because it means that they love you so much and they cannot forget you. And of course, you need to take care everything what they are giving you also. So that's it. Okay, so what can you say? I love the earring. Is it good? Isn't it nice? This is handmade. She made it. Okay, so this is the... Oh my god, I don't want to wear this one. I have to, because this one is from hubby. He gave it to me. Sorry, he gave it to me. Okay, before, it was before, and now this is the partner. Oh,